Hi, my name is Kyra and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you quick swatches and a quick demo of the Scott Barnes Chic Cheek palette. I'm wearing one on my cheeks currently, so if you want to see swatches and the shade I'm wearing, then just keep watching. So I'm going to do swatches of the Scott Barnes palette, cheek palette. So I'm going to do the first two shades first because they are the glow shades. Then we have the shade Minimalist. And then the shade Mango Fizz. This is my favourite one. And the shade Striker Rose. And then the shade Sweet Cheeks. Then the shade Rose. And then the shade Crush and Blush. So I've got all of my face on apart from blush and highlight, and that is because today I wanted to go into the Scott Barnes Chic Cheek Blush palette. First I'm going to use the highlight from there and pop that on my cheekbones. Down my nose, tip of my nose, upper cheekbone. And then the blush I want to go into is the shade Minimalist. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the quick swatches and the quick demo, and I'll see you next time. Bye!